Hi guys, Joel here. I don't know if you can see it, but this string is making a bend here. It's not going straight to the nut. And this is a common mistake when you change strings. Okay? So the next time you change the strings, make sure you push it against, okay, the post. No reps with locking tuners. Push it down in front and after the nut, and push it also here against the saddles. This will ensure the strings are sitting right in the saddles or in the nut.